Alright guys, welcome to another video by Stan's Auto Repair, formerly known as Dodge Neon Racing. Today I am at Pull Apart, located in Knoxville, Tennessee, off of Rutledge Pike, and what I'm here for is the CD receiver out of a PT Cruiser. But I noticed the 2005 model has a different plug, so I need to find a radio, hopefully in a 03, so we'll check this wagon back here. And it looks like the radio's already been taken out, but always double check because sometimes people just throw them down. Oh man, I will tell you what, this would have been a nice cruiser. Wish I could have found it, but I'll show you the damage on it while it's here until it's set for a while before they scrapped it. Side impact. And by looking at it, it looks like the frame right through here has been in, but that could definitely be pulled out. New fender, new door. Finding one like this would be kind of difficult, but so let's go on the hunt for some other PT Cruisers. See some Jeeps. Oh, there's one. Oh, looks like we might have a new one. Just got on the yard. Boy, is it my lucky day. Oh, this is 05. That will not work. While they're dropping that one down, we'll go ahead and check these cruisers out over here. We have a 01 here and we have a 02 here. That's the year I'm looking for. So let's find out. Does this have the radio? Yes, it does, and it's a tape player. Well, CD up top. That's not going to work. I need the CD for the bottom. Same mess up here too. This is the one of the headaches about Pull Apart. This is an 03. I think they didn't change anything until about 2004, but I'm not 100%. We got a 06, that definitely won't work. The radio is gone in this one, so let's go check out the one they just dropped off. Just on the yard, fresh meat. And it's an 02, perfect. This one ready to pick through?
Huh?
This one ready to pick through?
Yeah.
Okay, good. Go figure. Never seen that before. But this one also cassette on top. Looks like I might have to go hunting in some other vehicles. That's not gonna work. But here's a Neon. This thing has been stripped. Here's a first gen. Here's an 06 PT Cruiser. Here's a 2002, 2004. I think I already checked these ones. Yeah, I think I did. Yeah, they only got a radio in it. So let's, yeah, the radios definitely won't work out of these ones. It's a whole different even style. All right, fellas and ladies, I might have to look in a Caravan, but what I'm wanting to do, especially show you that if your CD player in your Cruiser stops working, you can swap it out. But the one I pulled recently was from a 2 newer model, and here's another one. Here's a 06. Okay, that's neons down there. Got some PT Cruisers down this end, but I don't remember. Like, here's one, it's an 05, if I remember right. CD players and that, I might just start pulling and checking. But let's check this Caravan, see what year it is. 2006. Not gonna work. What's this one next to it? 2005. I tell you what, folks, this is the whole thing about working on any kind of vehicle. It's difficult. Okay, let's see. Also check Dodge Stratuses. Let's see. I don't know about Jeeps. I mean, got a Caravan here. It's 06. There's a 97. Got a whole row of them. Might get lucky. 2001. Is the radio inside? It is. And it's a cassette player. And that's the problem. Here's a 02 Sebring. We might be in luck. So let's go ahead and get in here. Okay, it has the same panel as in a Stratus. I'm gonna set you guys down. Get you where you guys can see me. Oh, trying to use the. Okay, that should work. Oh, we already got this partially pulled out. Okay. All right, that's out, and that's a nice one. Too bad I ain't got the extra money, I'd pull it. Now we need a screwdriver. Crossing my fingers here, fellas. Always like to keep the screws. The radio looks very similar to what I have in the Cruiser. I really like that instrument cluster. Next time I get paid, I might come back and see if it's the same style that's in my PT Cruiser. Because if it is, probably go get that, get it sent off so the odometer reads correctly. Okay. So, oh, what the hell? There we go. Yeah, it's the same plug and everything. Serial numbers are pretty close. I'm hoping you guys can see what I'm doing here. Okay. You need a T-bit. See, this is a number 10. And I just need this bottom portion. I don't need the screws out of this. So it pretty much looks like the Sebrings and the Dodge Stratuses are pretty close cousins. I mean, my girlfriend has a 2003 Dodge Stratus. And this Sebring, other than some wood grain and a really nice instrument cluster, is identical. And what I'm looking for is hopefully the CD player inside of here has a black connector. The newer radios in the PT Cruisers have a red connector, which is smaller. The older CD players have a black one, which is bigger. And I should be able to show you once I get this off here. Okay. Okay, there's a face. You can replace the face. It's just hold on by a couple clips. Okay, now I have 2 screws here in the front. Actually, I only have 1. Crossing my fingers because this is the telltale sign if I've found what I need or not. All right. And yes. Okay. Let me get this here. Like that, y'all. All right. This is the connector I'm looking for. Is this black. See this black here? To get it out, you just push down on each side and it pulls right out. That is the connector for the 2000, 2001, 2002 that I know of model CD players in the PT Cruiser. So if you ever say your front face place ain't working, you can just come get a replacement. Or say the memory motherboard portion isn't working anymore, but your CD player does, then you can just come and get this. You don't have to buy the whole radio, just get the parts you need. It runs you a little bit cheaper, but that's what I came for. Thank God I did. I found it. So that tells you right there that you can actually get parts for your PT Cruiser out of a Chrysler Sebring and a Dodge Stratus. I didn't even bother looking in the neons because the neons have a different antenna connection and wire connection. The Sebring is pretty darn close. So I want to thank everybody for watching and subscribing, and always let me know if there's something out in the junkyard you want to learn how to pull out. Just leave comments down below and I'll come out here and make videos on pulling parts. Just let me know. And I may have a video upcoming here shortly this week. Got a buddy of mine that has a Dodge Neon that he swapped the motor in. It's not running and he's having me come over to get it, and the deal is if I can get it running, I can either pull the parts off his spare Neon or I get the whole Neon for free. I'll probably take the Neon, so hoping to God I'm able to get it running. Thanks for watching, and always check out Pull Apart, located in your area. www.pullapart.com.